World Tech Toys is proud to introduce the officially licensed WWE Superstar RC Hercules Helicopter Collection. Fly around the world with 4 wrestling champions: Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson, Daniel Bryan, Hulk Hogan, and John Cena. Comes with an included 3.5 channel radio transmitter. With a built-in gyroscope for stability, it's the perfect helicopter for fans of any skill level. This is the newest addition to the Hercules line that can withstand up to 200 pounds of force. Laying the smackdown has never been easier. From World Tech Toys.